Hi, this is Sivanagi and we are in the series of Physics Toolbox. In that series, as a first part, we come across the Greek alphabets, and the second part, we saw about the prefix which we used in physics and for the data representation. As the third part, we are going to see about the significant figures. So, in a measured values of physical quantity, the number of digits about the correctness of which we are sure, plus the next doubtful digit is generally known as significant figures. Tell us about the degree of accuracy. Whenever we are representing a number or value, it will tell about the degree of accuracy. So it is a very important for us. We will see the rules for significant figures. All non-zero numbers are significant. Like here, 33.2 has three significant figures. It has three significant figures. So 22, 23, it has four significant figures. Then 4.32, it has three significant figures. Then 42. Like this, it has a two significant figures. So all non-zero numbers are significant. Then zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. When come to the second rule, if it is a 2023, then two non-zero digits and zero is there. It is a significant, so it is a 4, 1708.05. Still, it is a significant figure 6. Then 1005. Then it is also a significance of 4. That is the significant figures, 4 digits. Leading zeros are not significant. Leading zeros means that first one. So 0.54. It has only two significant figures. Then 0.0032. Then it has only two significant figures. Not only that one, whatever may be the number, we will write 0.00001932. Then it has only four significant figures. Next one is trailing zeros to the right of the decimal are significant. Means in a textbooks we will see like this, even though generally we will think 92 and 92.00. Value wise both are same, but when come to the significance, both are different. So whenever this has significance of 2 and this has significance of 4. So basically 92.00 and 92 are not the same according to the significant rules. So we have to be careful whenever we are writing. Then trailing zeros in a whole numbers with a decimal shown are significant. Next one is a 540.0 as a three significant figures. So on the same line, this is also four significant figures. There is some special rules are there. So trailing zeros in a whole numbers with no decimal shown are not significant. 540 indicates 0 is not significant. There is only two significant figures. If we write 540.0, then it is a three significant figure. But there is a special rules when come to scientific measurements. If they are the result of the measurement, say for example, we are writing as 540 kilometers, then this 0 is also a significant, especially whenever we are using these numbers in case of representing some measurement, all are significant. Thank you.